In this video, I will show you how to unsubscribe from someone on OnlyFans. So if you want to unsubscribe from someone on OnlyFans, then this is what you need to do. So first of all, we're going over to our OnlyFans and then we're going to click on this. And then from here, you need to go to everyone that you have subscribed to for an overview. And we're going to get to that by clicking on the bottom right initial section. So that is your profile section. And then from here, we're going to click on following. So let's click on that. And then we will get into this section where we can see all active subscriptions at this moment. And as you can see, I have one active subscription. And as you can see, I have it subscribed for free. But if you have paid for a subscription, this works the same. And if you want to unsubscribe from this channel, you're basically going to click on this subscribe thing. And then it will ask you a reason for cancellation. So just go ahead and fill in your reason in here. I'm just going to pick no specific reason. And then I'm going to click on unsubscribe. And as you can see right now, I am unsubscribed to this channel, it is not active anymore, and now it will be visible in the expire tab in here. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.